Welcome to Phoenix Middle School, where curiosity leads learning, passion drives growth, and students are challenged every day to become their best. From hands-on classrooms to real-world learning, this is a place where students come to build confidence, skills, and a foundation for what comes next.
All right, this last read we're going to all do together.
We work together to solve a math problem and explain our thinking.
If something's confusing, we figure it out and keep learning.
Hands-on science helps us understand how things work in real life.
5 is 10, 20 times 5 is 100. Good, so it does ask.
Just raise your hand, I'll come around.
We collaborate during labs and practice real-world problem-solving skills.
Across every classroom, learning is intentional and student-centered. We focus on durable skills like communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and problem solving that prepare our students not only for high school, but for life beyond the classroom.
Orchestra builds teamwork, focus, and confidence through music.
Jazz teaches us how to think fast and perform as a team.
Use additional play into strengths, okay?
Art lets us turn
Creative ideas into something real.
Ag classes show how learning connects to careers and responsibilities.
We're building teamwork and life skills we'll use later.
From engineering and technology to design and innovation, students receive early exposure to real-life career pathways.
At Delavan-Darien, middle school is where students begin discovering who they are and what they are capable of. At Phoenix Middle School, we intentionally build the skills, confidence, and character students need to thrive in high school and beyond. Through hands-on learning and real-world experiences, students are supported, challenged, and inspired, becoming truly life-ready. Schedule a tour today and experience how Phoenix Middle School prepares students for what comes next beyond the classroom.